Did you know that you can apply a cartoon effect to your Canva photos very easily? First of all, we create a project page from our Canva account and click on the Apps button on the left side. Type 3D Portrait in the search field and open the application that appears on the screen. Click on the Choose File button and select the photo we want to apply the effect to. Then click on the Create 3D Image button. Here you can also check the Remove Background option. It may take some time to create the image here. Our visual is ready. We can add it to our worksheet by pressing the Add to Design button. Don't forget to subscribe for more.